Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Apnix Inc. and this is the daily chart for this particular stock, and the way the stock is trading probably looks like it is currently holding its support and the next probable move is on the upside. So we are going to discuss about that. So let me simply tell you the trend, and this is very easy indeed. So if you have ample amount of liquidity in the stock, so that you can use your support and resistance level accordingly, and if the trend holds as per your observation, then obviously you are bound to make some good bucks out of it. So this is the thing what you need to understand here. And if you look at this trend, what one can see here, that the lows of $3 is actually holding for this particular script. Okay, so here you have, so the low of $3, as I'm saying, that it's particularly actually holding in the last 1 year. It's been a very prominent support level, so that's why. And you have already seen that the stock has moved from the lows of 2.97 to the highs of 3.73, which is around 25% from the lower side. So now if you use this one as your support at $3, and you can look for on the upside, but before that let me just tell you of the downside as well. So if it breaks if the level of $3 breaks, then you have your downside support at 2.62, further 1.62. so this is the most important thing which one need to taken care of. But since this important support level holds, okay, so what we need to look at is the upper end of the range, which is, so what you can look on the upside will be a target or resistance at 4.15, then you have 4.36, and then you have 5.31 on the upside. Now one more level which you need to look at will be this one. Okay, so I would say, because 5.31 will be the level, will be the final level which one should look at, but I will add one more level which will be 6.41, because above 6.41, as you can see, there is a gap down. Okay, there is a gap down from the highs of $14 or $15. So it may go up to, so I don't know, but it may go up to 6.41. so this will be the biggest resistance, 5.31, but this may go up to 6.41. and first of all, if it becomes a big resistance, then obviously it will fall back from the highs of 6.41. but if, let me tell you, if the stock holds above $6.5, okay, if it holds, then there is a fair possibility that it will try to fill up the gap, in which case it may go up to $15. Okay, so this is a possibility which is conditional. If it holds, then fine, otherwise what you need to look at on the upside will be 5.31 and 6.41. but in case if it holds above $6.5, then I'm saying that there is a fair amount of chance, because stocks do fills the gap up or gap down what it has made in the past. Okay, try to fill it back. So there is a possibility that above 6.5 or $7 it may retest and go up to $14 or $15 on the upside. But let me tell you, understand your risk, use your stop loss exactly where you want to. Do not just overstay your welcome, and understand that risk analysis is much more important than earning profit, because if you know how to manage your risk, you will automatically know how to get the profit out of anything. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.